Hello guys, what's up? Good morning to everybody. I am at Index Tower right now and in front of me it's a Burj Khalifa. As we know that Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, yes. And I am in Dubai. This is the downtown city of Dubai. And the down one is the Dubai Mall, one of the biggest mall, Dubai. Guys, as we know that, UAE have 7 Emirates. So what those 7 Emirates? So I will give you the 7 Emirates in UAE. So the capital Emirates is Abu Dhabi. Yes, Abu Dhabi, and the center of the tourist attraction is Dubai. So we have already Abu Dhabi Emirates, we have Dubai Emirates, we have Sharjah Emirates, and we have Ajman Emirates, we have Amal Quain, we have Ras Al Khaimah, and the last one is